laptops of any sort. Don't power them on even when the customer comes in. Don't let the customer power them on when it's in your shop, because you know they brought it in because it was damaged because of the water, and it can't get any better if they're sitting there trying to charge it with power. So we're going to take the screws out of this. On a Toshiba laptop, you can take screws out and be somewhat reckless, knowing that there's holes where the screws go, and next to each hole where you're taking the screws out of, there's a little label indicator telling you what size screw goes in that hole. So it makes it easy for us to put them back together. I'm losing a little bit of magnetic touch on my screwdriver there, otherwise it would come pulling right out. Okay, when you're sure you got all the screws out of the bottom, we're going to flip it over and look at the top. And the first thing I'm going to do is get that hinge cover plate off. And it's different on every laptop. Some laptops don't even have this hinge cover plate. But this is the key to getting the keyboard and the screen off, and that's what we want to do. Gently, if you have to, put some pressure on the sides there and try to pull it up. Okay, it took me a little while, but I finally figured out the way to get this up. Now, since we have all the screws out from the bottom of the computer, we know there's no screws holding this plate in. Just pop it up. Now let's look for water damage here right on the spot. And usually, guys, on a water-damaged keyboard, there's little hope for them. If keys aren't working after you spill water in them, I would look at just getting a new keyboard. Let's detach the ribbon cable from the keyboard here. And let's take a look. What do we see? Okay, there's this one circuit board here, which has the power button and LEDs and other quick launch buttons on it. Let's get that off.